since it's December 1st, I wanted to do an interesting search on SAM.gov, nothing too fancy, but what I wanted to do was look at bids that were posted over the last week, the last 7 days, that are due within the next 30 days. So these are all bids that are going to be due within the month of December. I know that I always say this is the slowest time of the year, but I wanted to do this for those businesses who are still actively bidding and marketing. They're not taking the quarter off, to demonstrate across a number of industries here that I have that there actually are a number of strong opportunities to go after. So the search that I did actually ended up giving me 150 something results, and I cherry picked around 34. Okay. And at the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you where to get the Google Drive link so you can actually check these opportunities out. So you can see here on my screen, I tried to take a pretty big scope across the, a number of industries. So we have base ops, construction, grounds, IT, janitorial, professional services, and staffing. And I kind of organized it in that way. And, for some industries, we got more that I cherry picked than others, but I can only work with what I've got handed to me here. So, but like I said, these are all due in December, some sooner than later. And I did also include all set asides from total small business, veteran, economically disadvantaged, woman owned, all of them, hub zone, service disabled, everything. So lastly, I included the link to all these opportunities so that you guys can actually go in and check these out for yourself. And coming back, like I said, I was actually surprised with these results. That's why it was an interesting test for me to run for December 1st. And I wanted to share these results with you guys. Again, it's kind of contrarian because it's December, it's the slowest season of the year. And, we've got a 34-page list of bids across 5 or 6 different industries. So what I would like you to do, and what I'd like to ask you, is if you are interested in checking this out, you can get the Google Drive link in the description of this video. You can check out these opportunities. If you are a business that is actually looking to bid, like right now, you're actively bidding throughout the year, or if you're a business that's new, you're looking at this. I get this question a lot, Derek, what's a good industry to come in? I hear you talk a lot about staffing, but I know you've done construction, IT, stuff like that. I have a wide variety of experience. My forte is kind of service-based businesses, and that's what I talk a lot about here on the channel. So that's kind of the umbrella that I used to segregate and choose, and again, include in these opportunities here. These are really service-based opportunities. So if you're looking to enter the space, or you're a small business and you already do some of this stuff, again, I chose these for a reason. I think these are good. Everybody has different, opinions, different strokes for different folks, but this is what I like. So take this with a grain of salt. I'm showing you literal 34 opportunities here that the government buys pretty regularly. These are not opportunities that I'm showing you that are like one-off and you're never going to see them again. So these are kind of good representative for the industries. Again, that's why I cherry pick them and shows them. So if you want to check this out, the Google Drive link is in the description of this video. And what I would ask you to do, because this is a lot of work and I did this for you, so if you want to return the favor, if any of these are interesting to you, come find your industry, pull them up in SAM and take a look. Let me know in the comments of this video which of these you would like me to go further in depth on. You've all probably seen me do bid reviews in the past. Obviously, I'm not doing 34 bid reviews, so I'd rather get the feedback from you guys here on the channel. Like, hey, Derek, this looks like something I may even be interested in going after. Let me know in the comments, paste the SAM.gov link, or probably easier, just the notice ID, the solicitation number, so I can pull it up. Put that in the description. Let me know you want to check this one out. This is kind of a way to kind of get your vote in, and then I can go through those comments and see if we have more interest than others on certain opportunities rather than others. I would do a poll. I've been doing a lot of polls here on YouTube, but it doesn't give me 34 options to vote on. So again, it's best to leave that comment. So hopefully this is interesting to you guys. We'll see. Maybe I will go into some more depth on these. It's going to depend on you. So we'll see what we all come up with. I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video soon.